Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TV365 Office. So guys, today we'll talk about this, color scaling. So for color scaling, there are the several steps, and today we'll learn about these steps. And these data can be applied anywhere in your day-to-day lives. So it could be any kind of the industry, factory, warehouse, school, or any kind of the other institutions. Okay. So we have considered this data, okay, just for the example learning purposes, and I have considered this sale data which is in lakh, okay, in Indian currency. This is the nomenclature for Indian currency. You can consider US dollar or any kind of currency level or number or student, any data you can consider to visualize your data. So color always help us in our day-to-day life. Okay, let's go without wasting our time. So guys, you can see this is the data which is based on the month January to December, and this is the same in lakh. Okay, in Indian nomenclature lakh. So just I have considered one condition, and you can apply anywhere because formula will remain same. Okay. So wherever you apply, so we'll select these cells because we need to apply the formula on these cells. So go to the home tab. Under home tab, there is the conditional formatting. Okay. Under this tab, there are various type of the formula, and the option are available. If you see, this is the highlighted cell and top and bottom rules, data bars and color. So we need to go in this section, color color scale. So in the color scale, various color are available. You can see here, the moment I hovering my arrow, so you can see in the table itself, color is immediately getting changed. And you also noticing that color is based on the value. Whichever is the values are lowest is seems red, and other are green. You can refer this data. Okay. So I'll choose first one. Okay. So now you see the lowest value is the red one, and the highest value is the green one, and moderate one little bit orange. You can see this is the, if I'll change this number 25, it's become red. So on the spot you can do your testing whether it is functioning or not functioning. But again we need to apply one more formula here. If I'll choose this 800, so it is more dark. Okay. The reference value you have chosen is the highest 800. It means the other are become moderate. So if you consider this one is 350, so other also slightly change their colors. If I choose this 12, so this is the maximum red, and other one little moderate color. So this is the beauty of this Excel and formula. Now what we have to do here, this is the just part of testing, and select these value. Again go to the home tab. Under home tab there is the conditional formatting. Under conditional formatting, new rules. Okay. So there are various kind of, again option are available. We need to choose this one. Under this format style. So there are different format style, data bar, icon. So we need to choose this 3-color scale. So 3-color scale also shows the lowest value and highest value and midpoint. So for lowest value we need to choose red color. Okay. And then midpoint yellow color, and the highest value dark green. Okay. So I have changed the color intensity. You can see now these are the rich color now. Click on OK. Now you can see these are the color labeling, color scale. So I'll change this value again 125. See, the simultaneously other cells value also change. If I'll choose this 1000, Then see what is the ratio. So it's work based on the the proportionate proportionate values. Okay. So if I'll choose this one 2500, then see. Okay. If I'll choose these 75, see, and 65 level of the color scales. So by these colors you can visualize the the where your target is going, or what are the percentage of a student or any result or any sales. You can apply this type of formula anywhere. Okay. So if you want to clear these colors, just select these value. Okay. And go to again the conditional formatting. Okay. And there is the clear rule. Okay. Here is the clear rule, and select second one. Clear rules from entire sheet. See, you can remove this color immediately, just using 2 or 3 command. Okay. So I'll do Control Z so to restore the previous formula. So by this way you can apply this formula in your day-to-day job. It may be helpful for you in your day-to-day life. So by color you can visualize your data. Color always help in visualizing the data. Okay. So guys, if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.